How to set up your profile on Polybuzz.ai. First of all, open the app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are in the profile section, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner to start customizing your account. Here you can set your display name or username. Choose a name that represents you well, as this will appear when you interact with AI characters or other users. Next, select your gender and provide your birthday. This helps the app tailor your experience and suggest AI interaction suitable for your age group. You can also add a short bio to let others or the AI know a little about you. Keep it brief but descriptive, as this makes your profile more interesting and personalized. Additionally, upload a profile picture or avatar by tapping the pencil icon and selecting an image you like. Choose a picture that represents you or matches your personality for a more engaging experience. Once you have filled in all the details, tap the Save button to apply the changes. Now you know how to set up your profile on Polybuzz.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.